Yeah, incredible storms erupt, Henry. You know, this was a stationary front that just considered an outflow boundary more than anything else. Not as though temperatures are going to really be affected too much. And keep in mind that we're not really going to see much more than the wind shift we experienced this afternoon. It was north-northeast for a short time. But these storms packed a punch, waiting for the final Thursday of the month to finally get some August rain. Take a look. This is Somerset, South Bexar County, out the front door and on a ring camera of KENS 5 eyewitness Patrick Chandonnet. Look at this. I mean, that is incredible. I couldn't believe anything didn't go airborne, but violent winds ripping through South Bexar County with these thunderstorms. And we were expecting gusty winds. We were expecting some, 50 to 60, but this is probably 60 plus in some cases. I mean, to not see anything just blowing across that yard, you can see the top, that lid of the dumpster there in the front, just kind of opening and flying about. But man, just incredible violent wind ripping through South Bexar County. There it is right there again. Wow, take a look. These thunderstorms again erupting right along that boundary that's going to go quiet tonight, but then just use some daytime heating to refire again tomorrow. Look at the thunderstorms over Gonzales. This was one strong cluster, and then tonight you can still see down to the south. We'll take a closer look at those in a moment, but first, what happened in Gonzales with that storm? Look at this. We saw wind gusts right here. This was 68 miles per hour. Right there, 67 to be exact, at just before 7 p.m., and that triggered a severe thunderstorm warning. Without hail, if you get winds of 67 miles per hour, you get a severe thunderstorm warning. Tonight, it still continues to rain across Atascosa County. Heavy rain just south of Pearsall now for Frio County as well. And again, this frontal boundary is just going to sit stationary through the overnight, maybe pushing portions to the south, but really with that kind of energy still remaining in the atmosphere and some good daytime heating, more rain expected on Friday. So take a look at the rain totals today. Just outside of Bandera, 1.5 inches, a little more than 1 inch south of Hondo, 2 inches and counting. Atascosa County, 1.5 inches near Floresville, as well as northwest San Antonio. Here's where the frontal boundary remains. High pressure continue to pump in a southeast wind overnight and tomorrow to fuel more storms that could get started as early as about 3 o'clock and then really increase in coverage by about 6 o'clock. And this could be more lightning and more delays for Friday night football. The 8 o'clock hour throws in the storms from San Marcos south towards Seguin and George West, and then finally thinning out by 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Into downtown on a cloudy evening, kind of missing out on the lunar eclipse, 82. Winds are calm now, 82. This time last night we were at 93. So the rain making such a difference on these temperatures, 74 right now at Pleasanton. But before the front, 102 this afternoon, only 4 away from a 2011 record, and that 102 counts up to now 15 triple-digit days, with maybe one more to come. This would be the 10th, because if we hit 100 tomorrow, our average is 95. So 5 degrees above average would make it 10 days of an August heat wave. But a 40% chance of rain once we get the daytime heating. Pair of 99s for the final weekend of August. And as we begin September, heading into the final quarter of 2026, another 10% chance of rain. Nate's next.